By now, with our coding, chances are that you may have run into an error or two along the way. There are four main types of errors that we are going to be going over today. The first type of error is a syntax error. This type of error is similar to a grammar mistake in a piece of writing. This could happen if a command is not spelled correctly, or the wrong type of brackets are used, or even forgotten altogether. So print bracket burgers quotation mark end bracket. This would cause a syntax error because we're missing the quotation mark before the string burgers. Some key things to look for when a syntax error occurs are if you are missing a bracket or quotation marks. Do the pair of brackets and quotation marks match? Are there any spelling mistakes? Another type of error is a runtime error. This is an error that happens when the program attempts to run. In this example, all the grammar of the code is correct, but it still cannot run from top to bottom. Oftentimes, this happens when a variable is referenced or attempted to be used before it is defined or assigned a value. Print burger, burger equals cheeseburger. This would cause an issue because it attempts to print the variable burger first, but it is not defined and assigned the value cheeseburger until after that first statement. Next, we have a type error. This often happens when we are trying to do something with a string that we are only able to do with an int, or vice versa. This could be trying to multiply two strings together, or finding the biggest number in a list of strings. Cost equals quotation mark 20 quotation mark times quotation 4 quotation. This would cause a type error in our code. Finally, we have a logic error. These errors can be the most difficult to detect and to debug. The reason for this is because all of the syntax or grammar of the code makes sense. The code is able to run, and there are no type errors that stop the code from running. The error here is not detectable by the program. Lives equals 6. Print, oh no, you've lost a life. Print lives, lives equals lives minus 1. In this example, everything will run fine, but the value that it prints for the amount of lives that you have left would not be accurate. This is because it is printing the number of lives before it subtracts 1 from the amount.